Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So this is the Benz SLK that we've been working on. We've done this video basically because a lot of people, if you own one of these cars, you'll find that it was an optional extra to add on front parking sensors. And a lot of cars actually don't come with that of this in the SLK range. So if you own one of these looking for front sensors, hopefully you found this video and you're going to find it useful to see what we've done. All our installs get carried out in our workshop facilities in Cambridge. I'll pop all our links to our website and details below so you have all of those. What we've installed is basically a flush fit sensor. What you'll find most people doing on this particular vehicle is they'll install a sort of a protruding sensor which basically doesn't sit flush with the vehicle. We like to go the extra mile and we found a solution that works really nicely with this particular car. So what I'm going to show you from the front, what you see and how exactly they work. So what we'll do, we'll show you from the front. The parking sensors are just an audible tone, so as you can see here, there's one sensor here which is completely color coded to the vehicle, and then really neatly, actually in the black here, we've got another sensor. So this is a 4 sensor system going across the vehicle. In terms of the actual button that we install, so the way the front sensors work is down to a little button that we install. So inside the vehicle, right in the corner over here, we've got a little parking sensor button. So whenever you want your front sensors on, all you do is really easy, just press that button and they'll activate on. So really simple, easy to use solution, and it just gives you that extra bit of coverage from the front. So this customer's been fairly local to us, but the way this customer's interacted with our business is we've dropped off the car this morning, we've given them a loan car, so they're not without a car, they can carry on with their day. We've got a fleet of loan cars available for you. We also, if you are travelling for a distance, we liaise directly with a couple of local hotels. So if you are travelling from a distance, get in contact with us. We'll put you in touch with the best points of contact in a couple of different hotels that are near us, and we can arrange all the logistics. We also offer collection and delivery service. So if you're interested in something like that and you are further afield, we can also arrange that. So don't think that you can't have us work on your car. We've got full workshop facilities here in Cambridge, so feel free. We've done a video on that as well, so you can see the full workshop facilities and showroom as well. So thank you very much for watching this very short video, just showing you what the sensors that we've installed on this particular Mercedes SLK. So thank you very much again for watching the video, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.